This digital multimeter stands out for its very high-resolution display, allowing precise readings that feel closer to what you would expect from professional bench instruments than from a typical handheld meter. Its true root-mean square measurement, wide range of functions, and ability to handle everything from household outlets to automotive circuits make it a versatile tool for serious do-it-yourself users and hobbyists. The auto-ranging capability, clear backlit screen, and illuminated input jacks make it straightforward to use even if you are not an expert, while still being quick and efficient for experienced technicians. Thoughtful touches like a stable stand, integrated probe storage, bright work light, and data hold function show that the design is optimized for real-world troubleshooting rather than just lab conditions. Robust safety engineering, including high category ratings, quality fusing, and a shock-absorbing outer shell, inspires confidence when you are working around higher energy circuits. The included accessories and carrying case turn it into a complete grab-and-go kit, so you can keep everything organized and ready for fieldwork or home projects.